And good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Pasensya na late ang program today. Medyo may ginawa lang. PSEi tested the resistance again yesterday. Ang current resistance natin was 8,100. Failed to break out from that 8,100 and we closed below 8,1. Galaw niya is 0.01% lang. Matindi ang resistance na yan. So, yeah, we'll talk more about that today and a few picks of mine. And also sa eToro, I've already flattened my port and then opened a new position. Yesterday, good news is, yung pick ko yesterday was from one of you, sa mga viewers natin. It was a very good pick. So, I entered it and it's already starting to go up. That's good. Galing, si Del. We'll talk more about that later on. And future positions natin for eToro if you want to trade yourself. We'll talk about that also. And let me go to the chats. And Joe Ligares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning. Then Rolun Fuferzas, may buntag coach. Laika. Francis Wahilan, good morning. Elmer Trader, good morning. Then Jing Martinez, good morning. Uku788, good morning, sir. Thoughts on BTC? I'm still holding. I think pagpapahinga pa si BTC. It did ano tawag nito. It is going up the past few days. Ayan, si MA20. If ever magpula ito today, let me just remove this. If ever magpula ito today, it's starting as red for today. If ever it closes red for today, that's a lower high. That's a bad sign. So, tingnan natin what will happen. It's showing us bearish signals right now. So, I think reversal ito. I would say, if ever it closes to red today, i-short natin yan. Yun nga lang, very volatile stock na yan. I don't want to try it on my copy traded port. So, kayo guys, that's a signal for short selling. I would say short it. Magpapahinga pa ito if ever this closes red for today. And hopefully, naka-hold kayo. Right? And si Del yung pinasok natin yesterday and we're up 1% already. Naninibago pa sa equity ko. This is what I tell you guys. What you call this? You start growing your funds. Pag tumataas ang funds ninyo, your emotions are not used to it yet. So I'm still playing with my 300, which is my comfort zone, in opening a stock. And kahit na malaki na equity ko, so I'm gradually starting to increase my positions on the stocks that I will be buying. So yan po. Sayang si Del, 300 lang pinasok ko. Dapat ngayon nasa mga 500 sana ang mga test buys ko. Still, we're just adjusting. We will be getting better. So nga pala, good news guys. I'm already a red star. And red star na po tayo. That means we are a champion. We are champion levels ulit. So amazingly, nagbalita sa akin yung happen. Tayo yung unang Pinoy na naging champion level sa eToro. So, that's an amazing feat. Thank you so much for your support. Hindi magiging champion yun kung walang suporta ng mga tao who are copying me. Ayan, thoughts on BTC. I'm still holding. Tignan natin. Hopefully, mag-close siya ng green today. Bull and Bear, good day. Christine Regnem, good morning. Manong Haps, good morning po. Mark Lizaso, good morning Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang, paano kayo nag-screen ng mga stocks sa eToro para makita mga chart nila? Thanks. Alright, as you know, I've already discussed this in here sa PSEi. I don't have any screener. Ang ginagawa ko po is I have a list of stocks that I like and yun lang ang pinaglalaruan ko. Yun lang ang tinitingnan ko. Hindi ko natitingnan ng other stocks. So that's gonna ruin my strategy. Yun lang mga stocks na alam ko are fundamentally good. Those are the stocks that I check every day for positions. And then, unti-unti, pag napuno na yung list ko, I study another stock, and if I see it's good, then I add that to my list, and I slowly check the stocks one by one sa charting. Mary June, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights na po kay Meg. Sell na po ba? Yun, si Meg. Kamustahin natin si Meg. And I'd say whenever you see this red, sell half kayo. Hopefully pumasok kayo sa MA20. If ever pumasok kayo kay MA20 kahapon, most probably nag-sell na kayo. Dapat nakapag-sell half po kayo for Meg. Hopefully nakapag-sell half kayo. Yes, it is a sell signal. Sell half of it if you're already gaining. Trabajador, good morning. Sir Lloyd and everyone, good morning then. Robert Casteltort, good morning Sir Lloyd. MRC Vita please. MRC. Si MRC, kahit pula umaakyat, hold, I don't want you to buy that yet. Ingat lang muna. We did recommend MRC dito sa baba. Dapat sa baba po kayo naglalaro, hindi po dyan sa taas. Huwag niyo pong habulin yan sa taas. Vita, please. Si Vita, kamusta natin? Yan, si Vita still holding that support. Buy as long as the support holds for Vita. Ayan. Tingnan ko lang. Yung ibang mga yung ibang mga picks natin na market. O nga pala guys, before we continue, please share the video. Paki-share po ang video sa Facebook walls po ninyo. Para mga friends ninyo ma-curious naman what this program is, what investing is about. And because it starts there, it starts from curiosity. Encourage your friends to start investing. Also, share this to your trading groups. If you have any other trading groups aside from the Billionaires Club, please share it there so that the newbies there, yung newbies po yung target natin na matulungan, will know that there's a program like this that will guide them in their stock market journey. I hope I've earned this request. Paki-share po ang video. And Gio Peter Sebastian, good morning sir. Red star na sa eToro. Yes, I did. Started copying you last month with 200 initial plus after 15 days negative for $15 pa ako. Hey. Yes, I want to point this out. Copy trading is for long term kasi I noticed yung mga nagka-copy trade a little negative, lumalabas kaagad. Copy trading is for long term po yan. Let the position settle. And give it 6 months, right? 5 to 6 months before you really start to see the gains in copy trading. Right? Kasi minsan kasi pag pasok nyo baka mataas tas bumagsak, yung iba nag-out ka agad. Give it time, right? Give it time. Especially the past 2 months, I am adjusting my strategy. So hindi tayo gaanong gumalaw for the last or the last 2 months. But I'm doing my best. I think we're gonna be positive this month. We're starting the month positive. So yeah, we are already up. Yan, green na tayo for this month. 0.18 pa lang. I think this is gonna be a good start for the market, especially now na maganda na yung news. Right, asa na ako? Good morning, Sir Lloyd, MRC Vita, Gio Peter, Reynold Poblacion, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. John Vincent Pleto, hi, hello, Sir Lloyd. Pwede ka bang i-copy trade sa eToro? Yes, definitely, John. You can copy me anytime. Actually, kaka-open ko lang ng position. So, it's okay. This is the best time to copy me now kasi kaka-flat ko lang ng positions ko and isa pa lang ng position. And this is just around a little percentage of my port na nagalaw ko pa lang. So, pwede pa. Judy Becerra, good morning sir. Good morning then. Benson Mausisa, good morning Sir Lloyd. Maxis, MBT, SEB, MPI, JFC. Maxis, na we already checked out Maxis. Ito may resistance tayo sa Maxis. I'd say dapat ito hindi natin nahuli ito. This would have been the best entry for Maxis. This was the nearest to MA20. I think mahirapan ito. I don't think it's good to enter it now. Maybe a breakout or the next pullback man lang for your next entry for Maxis. Yeah, breakout would be the best entry here for Maxis kung gusto niyo pumasok dyan. It is a good company, yes. I'd say yes. MBT, just keep buying the dips. Pag nag-support yan at nag-green, bilhin niyo po sa MBT. Bodega na yan actually sa MBT. Same with BPI. CEB, very challenging position. Meron tayong resistance dyan. I have another resistance here. Don't think it's worth it sa risk. I would say best to let it pull back and bounce and make a support before we enter SEB. Medyo challenging yung position niya. MPI, si MPI naman, nag-green si MPI, starting to make a flag pattern right here. So, breakout, should you really want to enter MPI, now. JFC naman, hindi pa nagbe-breakout sa JFC. Breakout po iniintay natin for JFC. Hopefully mag-breakout. Sa ngayon wala pa. So, I wouldn't buy JFC yet. Ryan Randon, hello coach, about doon sa 50% sa eToro, kailan po ibibigay? Thanks po. This month po yan ibibigay. I'll ask again when is the exact date they can deliver it. But so far with all the promotions that I had with eToro, kasi yung mga seminars ko, the previous seminars with eToro, pag sila nag-sponsor, binibigyan nila ng $50 yung mga nagfa-fund ng accounts nila who joined the seminar, and eToro has delivered. So no problem with that. Speaking of seminars, yan po, basta si eToro ang there will be freebies. I don't know what freebies they will be giving on the next seminar sa Davao. So join it. Yung mga seminars ko pag nag-sponsor sa eToro, halos libre. And sila pag nag-gain. Just joining, they gain the knowledge and they gain $50 pa, right? So it's a very good bargain for you guys. Join the seminar this December 20. Huwag niyo po sasayangin. I don't know, I can't promise any freebies from eToro, but the event itself is very affordable because of eToro. Parang freebie na rin yan. So don't miss out on it. Sayang po yan. Darwin Nodo, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po sa ZHI at ATN. Thank you. Kamusta natin si ZHI? Si ZHI nagpo-pull back. Let's see where this will take us. So we'll wait for the bounce muna. But definitely starting to show us good trends, good spikes at above MA20. So this is good for ZHI. Antay lang, wait kayo ng entry, use a trend line, and then hanapin nyo po yung entry point nyo. Best is MA20 for ZHI if you wanna enter it. ATN naman, yan, nasa MA20 sa ATN. If this goes green today, I'd say yes, test out the MA20 support for ATN. This is nice, right? ATN is starting to give us a good trend. Pwede natin bilhin yan pag nag-green yan today si ATN. Ana Reyes, good morning. Thoughts on PERC and HI? May earnings. Nako, just want to get your opinion kung possible to go up. I can't say. Let's check out the trend. Right, House of Investments, ayun, ang galing. There's a possibility that it will go up. We have momentum close yesterday and volume for it. So possibly it will still go up. Si House of Investments. PERC naman, si PERC. Alright, wala lang gaanong volume si PERC. And we have strong resistances at this level. I'd say yes, it will still go up. But we cannot predict the market. If ever meron kang pula na mag-close siya ng pula, that's weakness. Just sell it kasi hindi natin alam saan papunta yan in the future. So sell half of it if ever you see any weakness. But for now, good job. Good job on your earnings, Ana Reyes. Ramsa, good morning sir, watching from Riyadh. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Coach, sa $50 sa eToro, kailan po ba lalagay sa account? I'll ask them when specifically they're targeting to deliver it. Philip Hagorin, good morning Pip. Good morning Pip. Good morning PIP Idol pa yun. Mabasa ko Pip tuloy. Right, PIP. Si Pepsi. Yan. Starting to hit resistances. I don't want to recommend that. Let it pull back and bounce before you want to enter. PIP. Christine Regnim, hello, downtrend po ba si MBT? It's doing sideways today si MBT. Hindi po siya downtrend. It's basically we have a support and resistance right here. So it's on a sideways trend si MBT. Hindi po downtrend ang kay MBT ngayon. Hafa Aday, morning Sir Lloyd from Macau. May I know the progress of Mangista.org? Yes, wala ako sa Mindanao kaya walang update gaano. But yeah, the progress of Mangista.org is they're already building the fort cages right now. Kahapon may update ako about the mooring. Ito yung parang simento na pinakita ko dati na ginagawan lang anchor. So they released it. They'll be releasing it today, right? So ilalagay na nila doon, and usually 2 days after the cages will be placed there. The fishes are already in the conditioning cages. Conditioning cages. Let's talk about Mangista.org kasi we'll be checking it out. Let me close these. Alright, so Mangista.org, I'll give you a little info about it. Alright, Mangista.org, if you haven't followed this page yet, if bago lang kayo dito, there is a crowdfunding page for Mangista.org. Ang mooring ayaw mag-load. This one is the mooring. Ito yung anchors nila. Ito yung dinadrop. So we already dropped we will be dropping the anchors today. Kasi tapos na yan kahapon. And then 3 and 4 will be up for will be launched most probably by the end of this week. And the fishes, kompleto na isda natin. Andito na sila dito. This is the conditioning cages. Sa likod po ng mga punong ito is a very big fish pond. These are our suppliers. Diyan po tayo bumibili ng mga fingerlings. Ito yung mga maliliit na bangus. Once they reach 5 to 6 inches long, they are ready for... Excuse me. Ang kati ng ilong ko. They're ready for deployment for... Ilalagay na sila sa fish cage natin. So, all of our fishes 1, 2, 3, 4 are already ready here. And once the 4th cage is done and the conditioning is done also, we will be seeding them. Seeding meaning we will be releasing them inside the cages already. I instructed them to take a video of it. We are expecting to do the seeding before July 18 kasi the project started June 18, diba? That promise namin sa inyo was 12 months. Every 6 months may harvest tayo. 1 month niyan is the preparation, and we're at the preparation phase. We're right on schedule. Actually, mas maaga pa nga tayo sa schedule. June 18 will be July 18 will be the seeding schedule, and then 5 months po yan before harvest. So we are fit for 6 months. So we're doing well, right? We will update you soon on siguro magpa-update ako on cages number 3 and number 4 today, and then on the seeding we will be able to share it with you, right? So closed pa siya ngayon, closed for investment, since we are only doing 4 for our test phase, and we'll show you the development after 6 months, and we'll open more after 6 months. Okay, going back, let me go to the live dashboard. Thank you, Hafa Abay, for asking for the update. King back kay Coach, kamusta? Pasilip naman po kay VLL. Doing well. Si VLL mukhang lilipad na. Right, mukhang lilipad na si VLL. It's already doing good price action. Buying is at a higher level already. So, it's still good. Pwede pang bodegahin si VLL habang hindi pa lumilipad. Matagal na kasi, yes, totoo po yan. Ganito yan eh. that happens to a stock. Nagko-consolidate ng napakalakas after very strong move right here. But this shows you na investors ang karamihan kay VLL. Walang nagbebenta. Kaso nga lang, wala pang volume to buy at a higher price. Mamaya na yun pag nag-spike up yan, saka naman hahabol ang mga tao. Ganyan yung ginagawa, especially sa mga traders, especially now sa PSEi since manipis lang ang volume. Rolando Jr., Naganhon, maing buntag. Sir Lloyd, maing buntag. Then insights kay MRC. We did talk about this earlier, right? I don't want to recommend it yet. Nasa taas pa. Let's wait for it to pull back and months before we really want to get in. Noel Taranco, good morning, Coach. Pakisuyo kay Fen. Si Fen kahapon makiat. Alright, si Fen. But it's still a negative sign for me. The bounce has low volume. We'll wait for further price action. I don't want to say this is a support already, though 3 araw na ito nag-hold. It can be aggressively kung gusto nyo pong pumasok dyan. But I think reversal ito. So I don't really want to recommend it yet. Masyadong mataas na si Fen. Magpapahinga yan after a very strong move. Moto Flute. Sir, pasilip po ulit sa Lotto po at CHP po. Magandang buhay po si Lotto. Kamustahin natin si Lotto? I think hindi naman gumalaw si Lotto. Right, it's still at support but the volume is still good. Buy the support. Pag andyan sa support, that's the perfect time to buy it. Pwede nyo po i-test si Lotto dyan sa support. CHP. Lotto is still a buy as long as the support holds. CHP, dito natin na-recommend yan. Masyado mataas na ngayon. We're testing resistances. Hopefully mag-breakout. I don't want to recommend getting in a breakout there because this is an uptrend. The real resistance and support is here. So we recommended it here because kaka-bounce lang natin sa support, and for 2 days it's been bouncing already. Congratulations sa mga pumasok sa CHP noon. I don't want to recommend it anymore right ngayon. Let's continue. John Vincent Pleto, congrats champion Sir Lloyd, thank you so much. Good morning Beyond Meat, please. Beyond Meat, grabe ito. Waiting for Beyond Meat Incorporated. This is the best IPO ever, right? Tingnan niyo po ito nung nag-IPO si Beyond Meat. It opened here. Look at how much it did grow. 388% amazingly. It's now showing us ang problema ko kay Beyond Meat ngayon is after the bounce, it's showing us lower highs. So, it's a mix of both. It's a triangle. I'm waiting for it to break out. Pag nag-break out yan, we'll see the definite trend. Right? Pag nag-break out yan, I'm gonna be testing Beyond Meat. Abang lang tayo for an entry for Beyond Meat. Congrats, Sir Lloyd from Francis Fahilan for being champion. Thank you so much. Hanika Bigting, good morning, Coach. Alco and Mark, please. Salamat. God bless. Uy, si Alco. Tindi nito. We recommended Alco on the support and it's been going up and going up and going up. We recommended Alco here. I wasn't able to recommend Alco here. Pero dapat ito yung best entry point. Paangat na po si Alco. I don't want to recommend it anymore. Ganda ng volume. Even though malaki ang volume, wag po dyan sa taas, okay? Wag maiinggit pag ang stocks andyan na sa taas. Always wait for your setup to happen. I tell you, your trading is gonna be improving if you develop the patience of waiting for your setups to happen. Always wait for your setup to happen. If you're a position trader, ask yourself, may position ba dito? Why am I entering this? Why? Kasi may momentum and umaakyat, baka maiwan ako. That's FOMO, right? Follow your system. Right? It's already out of our system. Baka maipit kayo dyan. Okay? These are sell levels right here. Hindi po yan buy levels. So, bakit kayo bibili sa sell? Stay away from Alco for now. Wait for the pullback lang. MRC, please. Hindi po ako magsasawa na mag-remind sa inyo dyan because that's one of the skills you need to develop when you are a trader. Ganda ng volume ni Mark yesterday, but these are already way up there. Wag po kayo maiinggit dyan. If it gives us a pullback and bounce, then good. If not, then stay away from it. Okay? Wag po kayo maiinggit dyan. Junker Del Rosario, si Uber and Beyond. Si Beyond, wait lang ng breakout. Si Uber nag-bounce na. Problema ko yung Uber, bumababa yung ano niya eh. Bumaba yung MA20 niya. Right, so I think I'm gonna be testing out I think I'm gonna be testing out Uber for after another green tonight. If ever mag-green yan ulit tonight, I'll test it out. Right? It's just that MA20, I use MA20 as my trend line kasi parang pababa na siya. So delikado. But another green should help it pull back up. Another green will be a good entry for Uber. Very good picks, Junker. Good job. Getting better. Saan na ako? Honey Kabigting, congrats coach. Thank you so much. Mercy Lim Hoko, good morning sir. Lloyd, dito ako ngayon sa Manila. Paano mapanood yung seminar mo sa Davao? Mercy, I have a recording of my previous seminars. I can give you access to that. Instead, send me a message to Financial Freedom 101 so I can give you the details about it. Speaking of the seminar, let me plug this for a minute lang. July 20, andun po ako sa Davao. Morning session is gonna be about financial freedom. It's a financial literacy seminar, but I'm gonna be sharing you the best investments out there aside from stock market, but I'll also introduce stock market, how to get rich in the stock market. Other forms of passive income, which will give you the keys to financial freedom. Okay, yan po yung morning seminar. The afternoon seminar will be the trading masterclass for those who want to learn how to trade. I'm going to be sharing you my strategies in trading, especially in PSEi. This is still applicable in the international market. Same strategy I'm using in the international market. See you there in Davao, July 20. Sponsored po yan ng eToro. So if it's a sponsored event, it's gonna be very affordable. Send me a message. Check out the link para makita nyo po ang details. Mercy Lim Hoko, yan, send me a message on Financial Freedom 101 para dun sa mga wala naman sa Davao. You can still access my seminars if you want to learn now. You can get the videos on demand. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. August 4, sa Rome, Italy po tayo. Sa mga kaibigan natin dyan, mga kapatid natin na nasa Roma. Join the seminar. I'll see you there. Still sponsored by eToro, so it's very affordable for you guys. Swerte natin may tumutulong sa eToro sa atin. Rodrigo Carlos, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning din. Ryan Randon, sir, yung $50 first time deposit, kailan po ibibigay? Hi Ryan, as long as you created my link, did you receive an email from me? Because if you receive an email from me about it, most probably naka-join ka. First time deposit, if you used my my link in creating the account and you created the account before April 30, on or before April 30, you should be able to get it. I'll talk to eToro. Can you send a message for eToro if ever maka-reply sila? Hopefully open yung office nila. Amancio Akas, good morning sir. Primex po. Let's check out Primex, PRMX. Primex, ayan, I did recommend Primex as support and lumilipad na siya, opened at a high level yesterday but did not sustain. So nagpo-pull back, wait for lang tayo ng next bounce before we enter Primex. Congratulations sa mga naging patient kay Primex that attempted the breakout yesterday. That's a very good signal for Primex. So mga nakaupo na dyan, congrats. John Fernandez, good morning Sir Lloyd. Okay po ba add Meg for long term? If you want to add Meg for long term, as much as possible, buy more on these dips. Pag bumaba at nagmura si Meg, dun kayo bumibili, wag dito sa taas, okay? Yeah, definitely, it's okay. Excuse me. Dexter Yap, may buntag Coach Lloyd and Laika, thanks sa LTG, gumalaw na po. How much TP natin dito, Coach? I usually do not look at TPs. Kung saan tayo dadali, sorry, TP tuloy na ano ko. LTG, I recommended yesterday, or yeah, I think yesterday. I also recommended it here. Yesterday was the second time I recommended it, and gumalaw na siya. TP natin, I can't say. Let's check where the price action will bring us. We have a small resistance right here. Hopefully, ma-break natin yan. Pag nag-break, malayo-layo pa, definitely. Let's see the price action. Tingnan natin saan siya mag-weaken yung momentum niya. Pag nag-weaken yung momentum, saka natin ibenta. For now, wala pa. Okay? Ops, sir, good morning. Tugs, NRCP po. Si Tugs gumagalaw na. I'd say yes. I've been recommending Tugs here at the support. And about time, gagalaw si Tugs. We already broke this short downtrend niya. I think akit na yan. Still okay to buy Tugs right now habang mura pa siya. Yes. NRCP. NRCP naman, buy as long as the support holds for NRCP. Dyan po tayo bumili. Peter, don't worry, Sir Lloyd. I'm always listening to your advice and I'll keep adding funds and keep learning. Matsalabs. Happy to help. Jerry and Cabritit. Alright. Copy trade you already. Right. Good. Ito. Natatawa ako eh. My posts sa Facebook, sa YouTube, meron na kasi akong video about copy trading. Dami nagpo-post, parang, this sounds like a pyramiding scam, blah, blah, blah. Okay. You can't help everyone. Anyways, congratulations sa mga nag-copy trade sa akin. Copy trade has been there since 2009. Tagal na ng copy trade na yan. Ngayon lang tayo talagang nag-open up sa Pilipinas. So information drive is still very slow for eToro. So congratulations sa mga open-minded like you guys. Vincent Cesar, hi Sir Lloyd, may buntag ang akong VUL na ipit ko sa 147. VUL na ipit sa 147. Bakit? 147. Did you buy yesterday? We are still at MA20 anyway, so hopefully mag-bounce. Ito yung sinasabi ko, wag maghahabol sa VUL dyan sa taas, di ba? We were saying this, and this is why I don't like playing with stocks that are up there already. 147 is a good entry actually. 147, medyo, hindi ko lang alam saan ka pumasok talaga. Was it yesterday, or was it on this, considering this a breakout? Hopefully mag-bounce si VUL. May maganda naman development kay VUL eh. Especially for Converge ICT, baka makaig sila sa news about the 4 telco and 5 telco, baka magkaroon ng development. So that's okay, but plan your trade, okay? If you're in it for trading, please cut your losses. 1.47 is how much percentage of loss already? 147. You are down. Ay, 4.31% ka palang down. Pero your position is very peculiar because I use MA20 as my support. If MA20 is negative 5.67 away from support, so ang cut loss mo dito mga 8%, dapat handa ka niyan, planado mo ang trade mo, you have to get out if you need to, okay? Hindi po pang long term yan, baka maging investor ka kay VUL. Hopster, in case ma-issue sa mislatel yung CPCN on July 8, possibly tumaas ba si ISM at C or factored in na yun sa current price? I believe it's already factored. We already considered ISM to be the third telco. The biggest change of the biggest catalyst for ISM again would be Udena's fundamentals. So hopefully pag naging public na si Udena, we can see their fundamentals, how they have been performing the past few years, and that will help us add to the funds of Udena. And siguro sa susunod na in the future when we see the development yung kita na ng third telco, how it is performing, makikita naman natin yan once they operate and we see good feedback from the people, then definitely pag maganda ang feedback niyan, lalaki yan, lolobo yan. It's gonna have an influx of new subscribers, and that's gonna help boost it. Yun yung inaabangan ko talaga, yung how is the first impression of Miss Latel when they start operating. Okay, Argel Mendoza, good morning Sir Lloyd. ISM po, thanks. Kamusta natin si ISM? Nagpapahinga pa si ISM pahingahin natin after this very strong climb. I think magre-reversal pa ito and magpahinga, but we're still above MA20, which is still a good sign. I can't recommend it anymore since it's already high. Maybe a green, you can test it out for trading kasi investor kasi yung investor yung strategy ko for ISM. So dapat whenever it dips, doon tayo pumapasok, hindi naghahabol tayo sa taas. So yeah, pag nag-green yan sa ISM, test nyo po ang MA20. Christine Regnim, Sir Lloyd, okay ba bumili ng stock ng company na pinagtatrabuhan mo? Example, JFC. Yes, that's okay. Right? Bawal lang yan if ever managerial positions kayo, and that's okay to buy JFC. Si San Miguel nga, nagpapabili ng mga stocks nila sa mga empleyado nila, di ba? Why not si Jollibee? It's okay. Unless na stricto sila with the insiders. If you're not really involved in the yung high-level office, hindi naman kayo monitored for insider trading, so that's okay. John Vincent Pleto, according to Jeff Gu, they're already processing the $50 this week daw makredit. Alright, that's a good answer from Jeff Gu. Alright, thanks Jeff for answering the question. Hindi ko na tanong yung tanong na yan eh. This week daw makredit, so that's good to know. Becca Tangan, hi sir, good morning po. Until what time po open sa international market? Pwede pa check ang EW, LHC and ISM. So to check the market of the the time of the international market, go to your dashboard. This is your dashboard, and click on this one right here, help, and then market hours and fees, kasi depende po yan kung anong stock ang bibili niyo. Baka nasa Hong Kong yung company na yan, or nasa Germany yung company na yan. Alright, so just go to stocks, and makikita niyo po dito hours. Alright, so Euronet Amsterdam, it's Monday 15 o'clock, that's 3 p.m. For Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Monday 9:30, pares ng oras sa atin. US, that's Nasdaq, Mondays 21:30, that's 9:30 p.m. Daily break hanggang 21:30. I'm sure para sa anong daily break na ito. Kung magko-close sila, pares lang sa atin after mga 3:30 din yan nagko-close. Kasi pares lang ng timing sa atin yan. Kasi nga lang gabi lang. Bekatangan, hi sir. Good morning. Until what time yan? Astig, pwede ba walk-in sa seminar sa eToro sa Davao? As much as possible po, you register, right? Kasi we have a few questionnaires and request po kasi ni eToro, bigay na natin sa kanila because this is sponsored by eToro. They will require you to create an eToro account so that you can register. So please create an account. Yeah, definitely you're still welcome to walk in, but I strongly recommend bigay na natin kay eToro since they sponsor the event. Yeah, kasi limited rin lang ang seats eh. Baka maubusan ka ng seats. Actually, yung afternoon almost full na. So I'd say just register. That will be the best, right? That will be the best way to enter and join the seminar. Punta po kayo sa page ko, Financial Freedom 101, and then Sorry. What happened?
Yo, what's going on guys? Alex here. Welcome back to another...
Ibang YouTube ang napindot ko. Ayan, for Davao, please register. It will be highly recommended that you register kasi limited lang po yung seats. Or Villeto, Gervasio, MER, please. It's 9:09 at ito lang muna last. Daanan ko muna ang recommendations ko for today. MER is playing at around resistance levels. I cannot recommend MER yet. Let's test it out when it does a breakout. Pag gusto niyo pang humabol kay MER, dapat breakout na lang. 3D Print Wiz, good morning Sir Lloyd. CAB please. CAB. Sila CAB, very volatile. I don't want to recommend it. Nagpo-pull back pa siya. CAB. Mamaya na, if ever it gives us a good MA20 bounce, I don't think this climb is substantiated. Nagka-anuhan lang dyan, nagkalaruan lang ang mga traders. So, yeah, I don't want to recommend that. I don't usually play for those kinds of movements. Alright, so I'll go to my picks really quick. Ito ba yung recommendations ko? I only have 5 for today. Kasi nagre-resistance na yung mga picks natin especially PSEi is at resistance. So, andun sa resistance sa mga karamihan. Number 1, AC for today. One of my favorites. We have a volume spike already for AC and it's starting to pick up the price action. I'd say yes, habang mura pa po si AC. Before yan lumipad, pasukin nyo na po. Ayala Corporation. Next is TBGI. Sila BPI, sila MBT, given na po yun. Magbodega na kayo. TBGI, MA20, after this consolidation, I'd say yes, it's a buy already. Maganda naman ang price action niya. TBGI is a test buy. Hindi po guaranteed yan, okay? We are trading this and pag nagkamali po tayo, dapat alam natin saan tayo pumasok and saan tayo lalabas. Okay? Just get out if ever the position fails. But definitely price action-wise, maganda naman ang galaw niya. So I'd say test TBGI. Test out the uptrend of TBGI. Especially ang telco ngayon is very hot. Si OR naman nag-spike yesterday. Buti bumalik. Let's see if ever this is the previous resistance. Pag nag-open niya na mas mataas, definitely test out or use a breakout strategy for OR should you want to enter it. Next is IMI. I've been recommending IMI sa support niya. Mahaba mang consolidation. It's starting to pick up already the price action. It did break out from this short-term resistance. I'd say IMI is still good to go. Pwede pang pasukin yan. IMI, good company. Under ni Ayala yan. And what do you call this? Maganda naman yung numbers nila. Si Ionics naman, we talked about Ionics yesterday, but the volume is still there. Hindi siya gaanong umakyat yesterday. Part of our recommendations yesterday yan. Still going up, right? Bumaba sa MA20 and then lumipad din kaagad, bumalik sa taas. I'd say it's still okay to buy Ion since the volume is there. I think it's just gonna start a momentum. Pag nag-green yan today, definitely check it out. MA20 is our support. Best to enter near MA20, but MA20 is just 2.58% away. So still, maganda pa rin yung risk appetite. Para sa risk appetite natin yan, usually cut loss below 3% below that support. So it's around 6% risk. But there's momentum, there's good volume in it already. I'd say Ion is a buy. Those are my picks for today. Pili lang po kayo, especially yung stocks na kilala nyo lang. Yun lang pasukin nyo. Not yung porket ni-recommend ko papasukin nyo. You have to have the conviction in entering kasi. So, dapat kilala ninyo ang stocks before entering. Next, Yap, Sir Lloyd, LTG po. Saan TP natin dito? I can't say saan ang TP natin dyan. We'll wait for the price action. If we see a red, that is where we sell half. Okay, that's how I trade usually. using price action. Fe Avelino, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Any recommended stocks to monitor in eToro? Marami eh. Right? Sige, I'll make that part of my daily grind tomorrow. My eToro watch list, right? Watch list ko sa eToro, bigay ko po sa inyo bukas. Paghandaan ko po yan. And I'll explain to you why I am recommending them. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. First time to join the live chat, but been a follower ever since. Very helpful for us newbies. Please bring Financial Freedom 101 to Manila. Oh yes, the seminar. It's the Financial Literacy Seminar, Financial Freedom 101 in Manila. Thanks. Have a nice day. Yes, we are planning one soon this year. Babalik po tayo dyan sa Manila. Most definitely. Okay, Judy Basera. Sir, pakicheck si APC. Thanks. APC. Bilisan ko guys, it's 9:13 already. APC group challenging eh, right? If you want to enter APC, I don't recommend it since already up there. Follow the trend line. Sa trend line tayo pumasok for APC. We are near the trend line. This is the main trend line niya right here. So yeah, pag nag-bounce yan, pwede nyo pumasukin, but then again, there's a resistance at this level. Mahirap eh. That's the challenging part of APC. Definitely, I don't want to recommend that anymore since we have strong resistances right there. Elsa Prangan, good day, Coach Lloyd. B-Core, please. Happen. Si B-Core. Asan ako? Carlo Turingan, good morning po. And si B-Core, kamustahin natin si B-Core. I did recommend B-Core past days. Still, was that yesterday? Yeah. We have a red for B-Core. Antayin natin mag-green si B-Core ulit. Pag nag-green yan, that will be confirming the support again. Yesterday, it confirmed the support. So, I think it's gonna be going green today. But for those na hindi pa nakapasok, wait for the green before you wanna enter B-Core. Carlo Turingan, good morning. Brosio De Fontorium, good morning, Coach. ATN po. Si ATN, wait lang tayo ng green before we really wanna buy ATN. Right, Ryan Randon, Coach, anong open at closing ng market sa eToro pag nasa Pinas ka po? Depende po yan. Are you talking about US market? If it's US market, yes, 9:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. Claire Manzano, congratulations for being a champion. Thank you so much. Christine Regnim, sir, nung nag-work ka sa call center, nasa stock market ka rin ba? Yes, I am. Investor mode ako noon. Then tried to do trading, pero ang hirap mag-trade habang nagtatrabaho ka. But the good thing was medyo hindi na ako agent kasi on that level when I was trading, so I have time to check the stock market every now and then. So I was trading and working at the same time, which I do not recommend. Ang hirap po, grabe. But then again, that was my pathway. So and becoming successful in trading, so pwede po yun. As long as kaya nyo, wag lang pipilitin. Marlene Ion, please, thanks. It's one of my recommendations for today. Jojo Manzano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. What's your take on House? First Resource is accumulating the stock for 2 weeks now. Total value, 130 million. That's good for House. Ang problema ko kay House, masyado mataas na eh. Right? It's bound to get resistance anytime soon. So I can't recommend it right now, especially now. It's been touching the lower Bollinger Bands, though it is going sideways. I'd say yeah. Since someone is accumulating it, the volume doesn't show it. But if ever, that's legit for it. You can test out House if ever. Yeah, if there's accumulation, why not? Sino yun? Si First Resource is accumulating it. Yeah, you can test out. We have a support right here. If you think that's good, then yeah, test out the support for House. Just make sure you plan your exit, okay? I don't really like playing with stocks who are up there already. It's bound to stop anytime soon. Masyado na mataas na po yan. Ang daming stocks sa baba. I don't really want to play it with it up there. Morning, sir. What are your chances that I can see GBP USD going this week? This is from Edson Rivoningo. Right, so GBP USD, there's still trouble kasi there's still trouble in US in GBP. That's why the forex for GBP USD is having issues. Let me pull it up here. GBP USD. Right, GBP USD. It's been on the downtrend. That's because of the Brexit issue. So it's having a hard time going up. But yeah, there's a support for GBP USD, and we have many posts up here. Forecasts 5.9, previous 5.2. This is good. This might go up. Right, I'll talk more about this. I will have a friend of mine who's an expert on forex discuss about this. But this is a good sign for GBP USD. For those who wants to trade GBP USD, you can trade it in eToro. Ganda na support GBP USD. You can trade it here. Okay, so yeah, it's forming a support already. I'd say we'll be testing this out. Just that it's challenging for me. Si forex it's trading 24.5. Very challenging. Right. Hindi pala si forex 24.5. Meron na siyang oras talaga. Si ano pala yun, commodities pala yung 24.5. John Vincent Pleto, Sir, insights po on Food and Globe po. Thanks. Food and Globe. Food. Bellcat, Sir Lloyd, wag po pansinin ng bashers mo. Ayaw nila umunlad students mo, newbies. Kaya bash kanila. Thanks po pag-guide sa mga Pinoy traders. Thank you so much. Alright, Food is doing a pullback. We'll have to wait for it. This is the resistance, previous resistance. Somehow it's confirming that support. A bounce will be a great entry for Food if you still want to enter Food. Si Globe naman, nasa resistance si Globe so it can't really. This is challenging for Globe, so definitely just try it out on a breakout since our risk to reward ratio is very small for Globe. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Insights ng mga FPH. FPH, I've been recommending that the past few weeks, diba? Dun sa support, yes. Recommended FPH here. I remember recommending it here. Bumaba lang, confirm the support again, and then lumipad na. I don't want to recommend it anymore because I already recommended it there. That was the best entry point for FPH. Now that it's up there, wag nyo na pong hahabulin yan. Please don't play with it anymore. Right? That's not trading anymore. These are investor entries. Unless kaya nyo po mag-momentum trade, which if you're watching me right now, if you're watching this program, that means most probably you're still a newbie and you don't have the skills of a momentum trader yet. So I don't recommend that. I am Nico. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Have a wonderful day to all. God bless. God bless you too. Astro Boy Martin. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. IMI, please, and RLC. IMI is in my recommendations for today. RLC, good company. Let's check out if we have an entry. Hey, problema ko yung RLC nga pala is we have a strong resistance right here. Breakout will be a good entry for RLC should you really want to enter it. Okay? Emily Golds, good morning, sir. Malungkot ako ngayon kasi na-broken hearted ako kay BTC. Pinakawalan ko after 12 hours holding price at 14K and then a minute ago biglang lumipad ng 12K. Ang saklap. Alright, sayang naman, Emily. Yeah. That's trading. Yun yung mahirap, especially ka Bitcoin. I don't think I'm gonna be trading crypto on my copy trade port anymore. It's very volatile, very hard to trade it. Kasi kahit na nasa support ka, ang auto stop loss for Bitcoin is negative 50% because it's very volatile. That's gonna be very hard. I don't want to be irresponsible. I don't want to trade it. You guys, it's gonna be very challenging to trade crypto. Maganda si crypto if you are an investor in it. Right? Just keep buying more. Just keep buying more. Ganun lang kay crypto. I don't recommend trading it really unless you really have the time to trade it. Maganda po siya i-trade because it's very volatile, but only if you have the full time to watch it. Problema kay crypto is 24/7 po siya. Pag tulog ka, baka gumalaw. Doon tayo patay. Chos Mata, good morning po. GT Cap, please. Thanks. GT Cap. Oh, sorry. Wrong spelling. GT Cap. Yan. Si GT Cap, mag-gap down after the dividends most probably. Yeah, July 3. Nag-dividend si GT Cap. This is what usually happens after dividends. And it's at support again. We'll see. I think this is good for GT Cap. Just buy the support for GT Cap. Georgina C, good morning. Pasilip po kan DMC. Okay po ba for swing trade si RCI? I recommended RCI actually dito. Diba? And then umangat na siya. That was take profits levels. And now it's doing a pullback. Any bounce soon will be a good entry for RCI. Yes, this is for trading. This is a good trading stock, especially now we have volume at these levels. So we're playing at interesting levels already. That's why you're showing volatility, and you're seeing volatility already in RCI. DMC, good stock, creating a good support right here. Pag nag-bounce yan, yes, that's a good support to test out DMC. Dan, Tudor, Lakap, hey sir, request po Chelsea. Si Chelsea din, masyado mataas na si Chelsea eh. Don't want to recommend these stocks. All it's up here. We have low momentum already. Hindi na siya nagtatouch sa upper Bollinger Band. So, I believe C will be resting anytime soon. So, magpapahinga pa yan. Let's see. Now Corporation. Umangat ba si Now? Wala eh. Right. We're definitely seeing higher highs. Pero may strong resistance dito kay Now eh. This is gonna be challenging, especially that Now is up there. I don't think it's worth the risk. Just wait for the pullback and bounce before you really want to enter Now. Para at least low risk po tayo. Asan na ako? Zenric Carvajal, IRC, Sir Lloyd, IRC. Kamusta natin si IRC? Nag-support yun, di ba? Nag-pull back and bounce yun. And yun, nasa support pa rin. IRC, just, if it goes green, then buy it. That's a confirmation of the support. But as long as the support holds, unga. Foreign and crypto, picks coach. I haven't studied for the foreign market today, but definitely I'm watching out for this pullback of the stock Micron, MICR, Micron Technology, right? So I'm waiting for the pullback for this stock. I think magpo-pullback pa ito. Just waiting for the green for Micron before I want to enter it. Check out this stock. This is good. Wala pa ako. Tomorrow, I promise you I'll give you my watch list. Yeah, tingnan niyo po ito si GBP USD also just bounced today. This is already going sideways, so range trade po tayo dyan dito sa baba and then sell it here at the resistance. Ganun po yan. Right. Next is Sean Lau. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Vincent Villegas. It's 9:25 pala. Last lang na question. Good morning, Coach. Is eToro fine platform for scalping? Look at this. I want you to join this group. eToro, Team eToro Pilipinas, right? The admins here, I'm one of the admins, but the most active admins here are scalpers, and I want to show you their performance. Gold, 31% for scalping. How about this for scalping, right? Scalping, 5%, 5%, 5%, 6%, blah, 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 1%, 3%. This is their scalping performance. So yes, very good for scalping si eToro because of the leverage function. Pwede nyo po i-multiply times 50, times 10 for your leverage. These guys are scalping using eToro. Definitely good for scalping also. If you want to go scalping, try eToro. Right? Join this group. These guys are gonna teach you how they're using their strategy. Shout out to Bengski, to Glenn and John, and Jed. Right, so these are the admins here. Ito sila Gilbert, and very active here in eToro. They're showing their strategies for scalping in eToro. Yes, it's a good platform for scalping, basing on the performance of the admins of Team eToro Pilipinas. Right, that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow po abangan ninyo my watch list for the international market. Should you want to trade it? Sige, pag-usapan natin yan tomorrow. Let's get rich together. Bye guys. Enjoy your day.